George Henry Warren, 1874-1923, was an American laborer who died on June 22, 1923, while building All Souls Church, Unitarian, Washington, D.C. Early life. George Henry Warren was born in 1874 in Richmond, Virginia, to former slaves Susan Couzens and Edward Warren. His father worked as a driver and his mother as a maid. His father's mother was a slave, and his father's father was a white man. George Warren was one of 16 children. His family most likely left Virginia in the late 1880s or early 1890s and resettled in the northwest area of Washington, D.C., Tenleytown. While in D.C., he received the average education for a skilled mulatto male in the D.C. area and met Sarah Sadie Bell, 1875-1968, and they were married on August 24, 1904, and the couple had 2 children, William Edward, 1911-2003, and Ernest Warren, 1915-1944. The midlife and death. He was a World War I veteran. He fell off a scaffold on June 22, 1923, while building All Souls Church, and died from his injuries. References: